innovation capacity from advanced materials. That is something which I have been talking about lately and over time. And that is basically about how to make more usefulness from the research and innovation findings from the advanced materials. And one challenge there is that materials is very early stage. So you may have research findings and then you want to create usefulness from that and spin off company and create value chains and so on. And that's a hard road because we don't know exactly what is the most valuable market for our particular material and the device we aim at. And we cannot point out directly which roads we will go for making the most usefulness from our research findings and commercialization and business. And if we would share experiences, learn from each other, and we create a dynamic avenue where we have a clustering effect by exchange mechanism, meaning that we share things at conferences or webinars and learn from each other. So if I would give examples from one of my commercializations, maybe you will have use of it, and so on. And if we expand this internationally, and we are many in a network and society, or an association which is active in this, then we can create more capacity to make usefulness from the advanced materials research. Of course, this is a long-term and slow progress, but over time it will create a momentum which is slow but hard to stop because it continues over a long time. It is sustainable and long-term. So innovation capacity from advanced materials is about exchange between the people, researchers, innovators to move ahead, and then the technologies, commercializations and business, they will follow.